Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The futuristic, heavily modified Toyota Fortuner featured here is an absolute stunner that redefines what an SUV can look like. Showcased in a premium studio with bright, modern lighting, this version of the Fortuner combines rugged strength with futuristic design elements that make it look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Starting with the exterior, the SUV boasts a clean and striking matte white paint job that gives it a bold, elegant presence. The look is made even more aggressive with a wide body kit that extends the wheel arches and adds sharp lines to the side profile. This body kit not only enhances the visual appeal but also adds aerodynamic features for improved performance. At the front, the SUV features a bold custom grille that stands out with its unique pattern and commanding structure. On either side, sharp LED headlights and sleek DRLs, daytime running lights, add a menacing and modern touch. The custom bumper is equipped with built-in LED light bars, giving it a functional and stylish look, perfect for off-road driving in low light. Yellow highlights on the bumper corners give it a sporty contrast against the white body and black trims. The side profile reveals oversized off-road tires with deep treads, wrapped around black, sporty custom alloy wheels. These not only provide better grip and durability on tough terrain but also give the SUV an elevated and dominant look. The high ground clearance ensures it can handle any off-road challenge with ease. Tinted windows and matte black side mirrors add a premium, stealthy vibe to the design. From the rear, the Fortuner continues its powerful theme with sleek LED tail lights, a custom rear bumper, dual exhausts, and a roof-mounted spoiler. The overall stance of the SUV is wide, low, and confident, designed for adventure and attention. While the interior isn't visible in this image, one can imagine it being equally impressive, likely featuring high-end leather seats, ambient lighting, a digital dashboard, and modern infotainment systems. Given the exterior transformation, it's safe to assume that the cabin follows the same luxurious and futuristic theme. This modified Toyota Fortuner is not just about looks. It's engineered for performance, combining a powerful SUV platform with off-road readiness and high-end design. Whether you're exploring rough terrain or cruising through city streets, this beast is built to handle it all, while making a bold statement. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at a futuristic Fortuner transformation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We bring you the most unique, high-tech, and modified vehicles from around the world every week. Your support helps us keep creating amazing car content just like this. Thank you for watching.